Because it doesn't know that command string isn't a function. Okay. But this thing knows. No, it doesn't. String any. Any. Okay, so it doesn't know, so you can't tell. That's interesting. So I would have to use TypeScript then to get something. But I guess ESLint should catch like if something is really wrong, ESLint should catch it. But I'm not 100% sure about it, to be honest, since I've never coded in plain JS anymore. Who knows? Well, it seems like ESLint is running, and if something is really wrong, it can find it. So that should be ESLint. Yeah. So ESLint is running. So I mean, it's running, so it's at least it's better than nothing, I guess. Wow. I have to disable the stupid. This on save thing is lagging as heck. Let's see if I save. Yeah. It was when I saved with that thing enabled, it paused for like a second and wouldn't accept new input. That's interesting. It paused for a second to do nothing. Anyway, so okay, so I moved parse message and I moved the parse bot command into their own file. So maybe I should update the to-do list. Oop. So we're working on the chatbot. Maybe I should make that green. We moved parsing outside main. Somewhat, anyway. Parsing of tags and commands is still questionable. Parsing of bot commands. Function for commands. I guess we do have a function for commands. Parsing of tags and command and parsing of bot commands. Because I'm working on both. And maybe I should so when I call the parse bot command, I send it the username, then I send it the message. But I also get the channel from, although I'm not used to doing anything with channel, maybe I should forward it. Not sure. So this thing, I would expect something to yell, but it can't because it's JavaScript, and if I don't assign a parameter, an argument, or if I don't pass an argument, then it would just be undefined. Command channel. Can I at least right, so if I had TypeScript, I would be able to look into this thing and see what it is, I guess. You could theoretically add JS comments to the code, and I think that would work. Okay. So JS is like it's like comments with it's just a convention, okay. And TypeScript can parse it. JSOC3 is an API documentation generator for JavaScript, similar to Javadoc and PHP documentation. Purpose is to document the API of your JavaScript application and library. JS comments should generally be placed immediately before the code begin document. Each comment should start with a double asterisk sequence in order to be recognized by the JDoc parser. Okay, so if I wanted to wonder why the spacing thing isn't working. Above the function. Above the function, okay. What command parser? And param string username. And how do I declare the return value? ESLint modules. This is an ESLint module. Okay, so this is a high level for at return. Thank you. At returns type description. Okay. At returns string. Formatted response string. Formatted response. Twitch username. Twitch channel. Chat message to parse, including alright, so if I save this and then go back to, so now it understands. If I delete this one, well, it won't complain because, yes. So then I get it, I wonder why the types aren't showing up in, I'm surprised it isn't complaining. Yeah, me too. They have to save it? No. That's strange. But if I pass it 12. Does it has to be configured for ESLint? Common style action rules, debug, enable, formatter enable, ignore enable. Options, migration, node path, customizations, ignore files, options, probe. JavaScript, TypeScript. I don't know. Maybe that doesn't do anything. On type, on validation server, ESLint class. Since version 7, ESLint offers a new API called ESLint. No idea. ESLint validate. JavaScript. I wonder what's causing this lag. When I save, it lags for a second. Interesting.